start. Can you read this one?
Mr. Brown and the Mouse.
Very good, Mr. Brown and the Mouse. 2 boxes for you. Okay, next one.
One day, Mr. Brown found a little mouse under his couch.
Very good. One day, Mr. Brown found a little mouse under his couch. 2 boxes for you, Daniya. Next one.
Round and round the couch the mouse ran.
Very good. Round and round the couch, the mouse ran. 2 boxes for you. Next one.
Round and round the couch Mr. Brown ran after the mouse.
Very good. Round and round the couch, Mr. Brown ran after the mouse. Another 2 boxes for you. Next one.
Then the little mouse is behind a flower pot.
Then the little mouse hid behind a flower pot. Another 2 boxes for you. Next one.
Let the mouse growl.
Growler.
Shouted Mr. Brown.
Very good. Get the mouse growler, shouted Mr. Brown. 2 boxes for you. Next, can you read this one?
Get the mouse behind the flower pot.
Very good. Get the mouse behind the flower pot. Another 2 boxes for you. All right, you've crossed the finish line. Good job.